してるより愛してることを伝える言葉がないのはきっと言葉に頼らず
Has it fit in the sauce? Beautiful. And some cabbage salad. The chicken katsu and the cabbage salad is very delicious. The outside of the chicken is crunchy and the chicken itself is soft inside. And it tastes. Hello wonderful people. Welcome to Chef GABBY GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make chicken katsu. This is simple and delicious Japanese fried chicken, and we are going to use our homemade panko bread crumbs. If you didn't watch the panko bread crumbs, I will leave the link below so that when you finish watching this one, you go and watch how I made our homemade panko bread crumbs. Without much ado, let's go on how to prepare the Japanese chicken katsu, and we will enjoy this chicken katsu with our homemade tonkatsu sauce. And this tonkatsu sauce, I will make it right here in this video. So this one video, you are going to see how to make chicken katsu. At the same time, tonkatsu sauce. So you are using one stone to kill two birds. Not too much talking. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Dear friends, let's go to the ingredients we have for the chicken katsu. I have small size chicken breast, already clean, homemade panko bread crumbs, lemon. Traditionally, they don't add lemon, but I just want to add small lemon juice for extra taste and also add some vitamins. Salt, black pepper, all-purpose flour, 3 whole eggs, and oil for deep frying. Let's get started, dear friend. I will divide the chicken breast into two, but I will not completely divide it. I will just leave a thin line at the end. I just want it to be flattened so that it can be easily cooked and it will be soft when eating. After this, I will put the chicken breast in a freezer bag and hammer it so that it will be extra soft. I will use clean frying pan. If you have tenderizer, you can use it to flatten it. Ghana for no say muti background I'm saying from my fan and no man so actually video no me no outside, but me recording voice over no e Ghana. Baby am one baby a choba ho no baby the choba baby a Brookio so obo bonwum sa me baby enye record me dem nyina yi didi and ma be she school bi mu na and ma yi so fio sa no Chefom glass kwa hare sister no nya dwuma sa so we move and so akra na me you akra mfimfi pa na me sei and no mai did this no. Time to marinate the chicken. These are the 3 ingredients I'm going to use. Half of the lemon, salt and pepper to taste. I'll marinate the first part. After, I'll turn it over and marinate the other side. Then I'll rub it together so that the spices can go every part of the chicken, so that at the end of the day we are not going to get some part of the chicken salty and some part too much pepper. So our chicken will taste great equally no matter which part you will eat. Dear friend, all the ingredients are ready. The chicken is marinated. I will whisk or beat the egg with fork. Then I will season these 3 ingredients with little bit of salt and pepper. You have to be a little careful here, because if you put too much, the chicken will be salty because the chicken is already marinated. So here I'll pass the chicken first through the flour, egg, and the panko bread crumbs. Dear friend, make sure the flour and the egg coat every part of the chicken breast so that the breadcrumbs can cover every part of the chicken nicely.
言葉に頼らずあなたのことを抱きしめ
Dear friend, the chicken is breaded. I will set the stove to 160 degrees Celsius. If your stove doesn't have a regulator or cooking thermometer to check the temperature, just put pieces of breadcrumbs in the oil. When the breadcrumbs turns golden brown, it means your oil is ready for you to drop in the chicken breast or the breaded chicken. Dear friend, the breadcrumbs are golden brown now. Time to flip in the chicken breast and always drop it away from you so that in case of any splash from the oil, it will not splash on you, it will be splashing on the wall. And the temperature should always be between 160 and 170 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is too low, the chicken breast will soak more oil, and if it is too high, it will cook faster, but the inside of the chicken will not be cooked. Like outside will be brown, but the inside is not cooked. So this is how it should be, and I'll be turning it from time to time, maybe 4 times. Once I see the color is changing, I'll turn it, and this will take minimum 8 minutes and maximum 10 minutes. So I will just repeat the same process for all the breaded chicken. The chicken katsu is ready. I have my kitchen paper towel set. I will just remove it from the oil, put the chicken on top of it, add more paper towel on the chicken for all the excess oil to be absorbed, and then continue with the same process. Dear friend, the second chicken breast is ready, and I really like the outcome of it, especially from the side of the breadcrumbs. It makes the chicken very crunchy and crispy, and it absorbs less oil. I really like it.
言葉に頼らずあなたのことを
Dear friends, I'm coming to make the tonkatsu sauce, and these are the 5 basic ingredients for tonkatsu sauce. And some recipes add oyster sauce, but I'm not going to add oyster sauce. I'm going to use these 5 basic ingredients: Worcester sauce, tomato ketchup, honey, soy sauce, and sugar. So I will use 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then 2 teaspoons of sugar.
愛してるより愛してることを伝える言葉がないのはきっと言葉に頼らずあなたのことを抱きしめて愛伝えるためなのかなあなたはいつも絶え間なく優しく
Now the sauce is ready, and you know it is ready when the sugar is completely dissolved in the sauce, and you know it is dissolved when you cannot feel it in the sauce, because now it looks smooth and I don't feel any sugar in it. I will taste it now and see how the taste is. Wow, it tastes really good. A little sour, and it is sweet, and you can feel the salt from the soy sauce. I tell you, this is really good, and the flavor and everything tastes real Japanese tonkatsu sauce. Dear friend, the chicken katsu is done, and the tonkatsu sauce is done, and this is the only chopping board available in the kitchen at the moment. So after washing it with soap and water, I have to use lemon to sanitize it, leave it for at least 1 minute to get rid of any bacteria before I use it again. Traditionally, you cannot have chicken katsu without cabbage salad. So I will slice my white cabbage to make the salad for our delicious chicken katsu. Nice and crunchy. So I'll slice my chicken. Beautiful. Here. Here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Dear friend, the chicken katsu is ready. It looks nice and delicious, but it is the mouth that can verify and testify. So I dip it in the sauce. Beautiful. And some cabbage salad. Dear friend, the chicken katsu and the cabbage salad is very delicious. The outside of the chicken is crunchy and the chicken itself is soft inside, and it tastes good. And the cabbage and the sauce is just yummy and delicious. The sauce is sweet and sour. Please, this is very simple to make, and you can take it during your lunch time or dinner time. Kindly like and share this video. You can also leave your comments under the comment section. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.